Welcome people, welcome viewers. My name is Yochain and this is Yochain Pursuit channel. I just do this video to make you guys know that the full song is now available. Click the first link down in the description and go listen to the full song. How Nico Needs So by Gully Bop. And if you not click the link, if you not want to click the link, you can search for it in YouTube. Just type in Gully Bop and you see it come up, or type in Gully Bop How Nico Needs So. Theme so spell S-O-H. How Nico Needs So. So S-O-H. I have a preview for my channel and everybody has said, oh, this and a song this. Yeah, because it was a preview. Now the full song is available. I'm letting you guys know. Click the link down in the description and listen to the full song and enjoy yourself and say what I have to say. You understand? If you don't want to big up Gully Bop or big up Imari, do nothing. The full song is now available. Letting you guys know. The first link down in the description. Maybe the only link down in the description. Yeah, I'm gonna listen to the song How Nico Needs So by Gully Bop. And you can thumbs up the video as well. Click the like button if you don't leave off of the video yet. Well, go watch the full. So listen to the full song now. Link in the description. Big up on yourself. Big up yourself, Gully Bop. And big up your wife, Amari.